I want my chef colleagues to take up the challenge to create fun, quick and easy recipes with the unique flavor of olives to create an explosion of taste. So get our chef jacket on and take the challenge with me.
Chef Amrita Raichand, I accept the 4 flavor challenge. Let's start cooking. I love using olives. Now, besides being healthy and high in fat, a good fat, olives for me are very versatile. I mean, they create different dimensions of flavors. You can add saltiness to your dish. You can add a lot more body to your dish. Olives mixed with a curry is a fabulous combination. So today I'm going to be cooking an Asian sea bass with an olive and mango curry. What is really important is dry roasting our spices. Now for that I have some nice dried red chilies, along with which I'm adding about 8 to 10 black peppercorns, some methi, which is fenugreek seeds. Now the methi, the coriander, the mustard seeds and the cumin is actually adding the bitterness. So we're just going to lightly roast this. Now I'm just going to blend this. So we have our spice of our curry which is ready, and now we're getting the whole base together. The base is going to have onions, ginger, garlic, a bit of curry leaves, of course olives and mango. Now a mango curry is very, very popular, especially in the south of India, okay? And olives, you can get them anytime, anywhere, at any place, as olives have entered into our market and are eaten in everywhere, on sandwiches, on pizzas and inside curries. And also it's a great ingredient to incorporate into a chaat or even a kachumbar, which I'm going to be showing it to you later. So I'm going to be using a very light olive oil in this cooking with some gorgeous curry leaves, which I'm going to be adding right here. So with this gorgeous curry leaves, I have some onions and my ginger and garlic. Very slow right here, okay? So while this is happening, I'm going to be using a combination of raw and ripe mango. So this is the sweet and sourness of the recipe which is going to be coming through. 2 parts of the ripe mango to 1 part of the raw mango, okay? The raw mango and the ripe mango inside. I'm also going to be adding a combination of olives in this recipe. I'm going to be using a couple of pitted green olives in this recipe, a couple of black olives as well, and a few of the queen olives which are stuffed with pimentos. So we've got these lovely olives from Spain, and let's give this a nice mix. Now I think we have a very important part, that lovely freshly ground spices, which I'm going to be mixing in here. Mangoes in, olives in, spices in. Next, we're going to be adding some water, and into which I'm going to be adding tamarind paste, which is going to be adding a little more sourness, and jaggery, some salt to taste. And along with this, I'm adding the mango and its stone, okay? And we're going to let this simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm using Asian sea bass or Bhetki, which is one of my top fishes available nowadays. FYI, this recipe also works as a vegetarian recipe with vegetables and a vegan recipe with tofu. You can add zucchini or any other kind of vegetables along with the fish when you're cooking it. So I'm going to be actually slicing these into beautiful thin ribbons and actually wrapping my fish with this. Now, you can marinate the fish if you wish. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt to it, and then I'm going to be actually wrapping it with my zucchini. So let's take some salt here, let's season our fish with it, and then simply just wrap our fish with the zucchini. So I'm going to be taking this curry out and letting it cool a little bit, because be careful when you're actually blending something, you got to make sure it's completely cool. So now it's time to blend our lovely mango and olive curry in here. A little bit of water into the pan first. So you've got the bang on flavors, you've got sweet, you've got sour, you've got bitter, and you've got salty. Hope you're loving this, Amrita. Now next, I'm going to be adding a little bit of spices. We're going to be dropping our fish and let the fish smoothly poach in this lovely curry. A little bit of lemon juice here, a little bit of the lemon zest in here. So this is also adding a touch of bitterness besides the cumin, the fenugreek, and in about 5 to 7 minutes, this curry is ready. why don't I make a really nice, beautiful, sexy, summery salad? So we've got some lovely, beautiful rocket leaves which I have here. We have some romaine lettuce, some butter lettuce here. This mint which goes really well with olives and mango. Sunflower seed sprouts, a couple of cherry tomatoes, some black olives, some green olives, some queen olives which are stuffed with pimento right here, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of lemon. We're going to give this a nice mix now. Beautiful seasonal salad ready. I'm going to be adding marigold petals into this lovely salad and some orange leaves as well. And meanwhile, my fish should be also ready. So we have our fish, which is beautifully cooked here. And also you could eat this with nice bread. You can do it with nice brown rice. You can make some nice chapatis and have it with this. So now you know why I like to use olives from Spain. So olives from Spain are available in every good food shop and supermarket. Go and grab them. This chef's challenge bought the whole entrance of this amazing olives to go with the traditional Kerala mango curry which is made with fish. I hope you enjoyed this challenge and watch the space for more because a lot of chefs are doing some amazing dishes. I'll see you soon.